Myself, Dr. Sangeeta Sharma, Associate Professor, PG Department of Chemistry, डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम MSc प्रीवियस की यूनिट 3 सरफेस केमिस्ट्री के अंतर्गत एक्सपेरिमेंटल टेक्निक्स टू मेजर सरफेस प्रेशर पढ़ेंगे। One may measure surface pressure pi tau amount per area instead of surface tension by means of modern film balance. Main part of modern film balance are first fixed barrier. This is a strip of mica float on the surface of water and suspended from a torsion wire. Second part is compressing barrier. This is a floating barrier strip of platinum foil or wax thread attached at the end of it. These strips are lying upon the water surface and connect the end of barrier to the side of trough, thus prevent leakage of surface film past the float. The third is sweeping barrier. It is a movable barrier rest upon the side of the trough and in contact with the water surface. A number of movable barriers are provided for sweeping the surface clean. It may be raised or lowered by the means of a rack operating by square drive rod. Fourth part is trough. It is a 2 or 3 feet long and 1 feet wide shallow rectangular tray made up of brass, stainless steel, glass or Teflon. Glass of metal tray must be coated by paraffin or lacquer to ensure high contact angle. Fifth part is air thermostat. Thermostat is required for precise work at the constant temperature only. The working. A tiny amount of insoluble spreading substance is introduced into a cleaned water surface. Dilute solution of stearic acid in benzene. Benzene evaporates, leaving a film. Then sweeping barrier is advanced towards the compressing barrier. The surface film exerts a surface pressure on the float, pushing it backward. The torsion wire attached to a calibrated circular scale is twisted until the float is returned to its original position. The required force divided by the length of the float is a surface pressure. Limitation of this experimental technique, if it required too much material has been used or spreading is slow. Instead of monolayer, patches of unseparated materials floating on the surface sometimes can be seen. Second, care to prevent leakage is occurring past the sweep at high film pressure. Third, if the film material is added, a solution is in a volatile solvent, the addition must be slow and such that none of the solution reach the edge and of the trough before evaporating of the solvent. Importance of the surface film. Surface film is used in explaining the function of the detergent and soap. The second is the insoluble monolayer retarded evaporation of the water. For this purpose, the substances should be non-toxic, easily separable, inexpensive and harmless.